Ebates is an extension that you add for free onto almost any internet browser. And then when you're online shopping, your browser will tell you whether or not the merchant participates with Ebates, and you can earn cash back on your purchases. And let me show you the last check that we got. You'll see that it was over $300. You know, we did kind of a lot of shopping online last month, so this is a larger check than we normally get. But usually we get $100 a month from Ebates, and I'm going to go over to my computer right now, and I'm going to show you how to add the extension and exactly what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so here I am at ebates.com, which is where you'll go to open your account and sign up. It's free, it's easy. You can shop right here on their website and go directly through to these retailers, or you can use a browser extension in your internet browser, and it's available for Safari, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox. So here I am in the Chrome web store where you get extensions. I've already got it added to Chrome, and the little video box might be covering this up in the video. I don't know why my software is doing that, and I can't figure out how to use it. But just to give you an idea, let's just say we're shopping at Target online. It'll pop up, and it'll tell me right away, bam, earn 1% cash back on my purchases at Target. All you have to do is click this button, and Allison's my wife. Our account's under her name. So then it pops up, and now anything I buy from Target.com earns us 1% cash back. And it's available at like most major retailers, even eBay. You know, the eBay one is 10% cash back. So I click that, I'm earning 10% cash back on anything I buy on eBay. You know, I mean, it's even like Zales.com for jewelry. It'll pop up 3.5% cash back from Zales, and I can activate it. So honestly, if you're already shopping online, I don't know of an easier way to get paid for your effort. It's free, it's simple to sign up, and it's the easiest way to supplement your income that I can possibly think of if you're shopping online. So I hope that this was helpful, and Ebates is a new idea to you, and you're going to cruise over there and sign up and hopefully start making money on the money you spend. And I'll be back in touch when I can think of other bright ideas to share with you. Have a great day. So there it is. One of the easiest ways I can possibly think of to make money online, especially if you're already shopping online. So if you don't have Ebates, go check out ebates.com, go to Chrome or Safari, add the extension, and I hope this was a tiny little helpful trick that will help you supplement your income. Have an amazing day.